August 1st is what's the season? Can anyone hear? It's a 24 season, like in TCM the whole year.
Great heat.
Great heat. Great heat. And starting from August 7, it will go into the fall season now. So even though we think, oh, it's still the summer, but actually this one, the TCM season is says the direction of the nature. So it's like the sun, the sun in the moon, like the noon time. You say, oh, it's very hot. That's the hottest time. Like right now, it's our great heat season. It's the hottest of the whole year. But actually, like the sun is the noon. This is the peak time. Then gradually, the sun will go down, and it's getting colder and colder. It's the same as this season. This season is the hottest of the whole year. But start from next week, if we then the direction, like the nature direction will go down. It's the daytime will getting shorter and shorter, and it will getting colder and colder. So this actually is tell us the direction of the nature. So from TCM, it's happened right now. We're still in the hot season. So next week, if we meet, we'll go to the fall season. So the hottest season, so summertime. So summertime is for heart. So we need to protect our heart. Today I'll tell you another one. Another one you can check if your heart function is good or not, and also help your heart function, help you prevention. So this one, so army pit, right? They have a point. This one, the deep side is a Ji-quan. Ji-quan from is in the heart meridian. Heart meridian is from tiny finger, goes to here. And so this one, the Ji-quan, very deep. You use the thumb to try to use like a massage, like a cross fiber massage. Can you feel lots of tender? Try to massage it. Can you feel, anyone feel the tingling on your finger? Anyone feel tingling? Massage the thumb, massage. Anyone feel tingling? You feel tingling? Okay. Finger on the finger.
Yeah, I can feel it going up like through this one as well.
Okay. Do you feel pain or anything?
I feel some pain.
Some pain, from pain and tingling. And how about anyone feel tingling? It's tingling, Tingling? Little bit. Yeah. If you can feel tingling, actually that's good. That means your chi still can go to here. If you don't feel any tingling, actually that means you have stagnation. Have blockage. The circulation have problems. Do you have feel any pain? If you don't feel any pain, feel nothing. That means you really you are not only have the stagnation, the chi that blocked, but also means you have reduced the blood circulation too. So that's even worse. So you need to keep doing this one. So this can check. Try to check this side. Feel anything? Okay, so this side is better. Good.
This one.
Okay, good. If you can feel tingling, that means the chi started moving here. But if you feel pain, that means you have some stagnation. If you feel nothing, that means it's blocked. Yeah, so you have cross fiber like a massage, lots of tenders here. So you do massage.
I know this is like danger, but could you show me where? Could you show me?
Very deep. The deep of the army pit.
But on the inside.
Yeah, inside, the deepest army side. Heart function. Heart function. So continue this one, and then pull this one, and then typing meridian, typing pericardial meridian, heart meridian. We can do 1 minute. 1 minute. This is heart meridian. The middle is the pericardial meridian. 啊。Yeah, red, very red 了 ，good. Yeah, your heart will feel happy, huh? Get rid of like so summer season. Actually, your heart is restless, overacting. So heart need more take care. Next week we'll go to like lung function now. It's different. Good. We can tell the difference, huh? The difference every week. Just 3 weeks, great.